Hey everyone! Welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a contact page in Shopify for customer support. This will help your customers reach out to you easily, improving their experience with your store. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a new page. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Go to Online Store Pages, Add Page. Title it Contact Us and add a short introduction, letting customers know how they can reach you. Step 2. Add the contact form under the template section on the right. Select Page Contact from the drop-down menu. This automatically adds Shopify's built-in contact form to your page. You can also manually add a form by using Shopify apps like Form Builder or POWR Form Builder. Step 3. Customize the page. Enhance the contact page by adding additional contact details, like your email, phone number, business hours, and a physical address, if applicable. You can also include links to your FAQ page, live chat, or social media for more support options. Step 4. Save and publish. Click Save to update the page. Now, go to Navigation main menu and add your Contact Us page link to your store's menu so customers can easily find it. Outro, and that's it. You've successfully created a contact page in Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more Shopify tips. See you in the next video.